G'day, welcome back, and today we're going to train you on Synaptic. The first thing we're going to do today is we want to just guide you through the entire multi-factor authentication logon process, and for that you're going to require your telephone. For that you're going to require your telephone, and you are going to need to ensure that your multi-factor authentication, we use Microsoft Authenticator, is actually installed on your phone. When you log on to Synaptic for the first time, what is going to happen is going to present you with a choice to run your multi-factor authentication. Now, I have logged on before, so what we're going to do here is we're going to show you how to reset, which is very similar to the same process. Okay, so as you can see, my username is in, and you can see the company that I work for, and we're now going to enter in my password. And when I click login, what you're going to see here is that it is going to now go and request multi-factor authentication. Right, so as I've logged in before, it's just going to ask me purely for the code. Now, if you've logged in and you've got a code and you're already on the multi-factor authentication, then you are more than welcome to type the code in and click verify code. Now, my problem is that I am training, so I'm going to reset my multi-factor code. This will now say to me, do you want to reset it? And we're going to say literally yes. So if you're a first-time user, it's going to go straight to this screen that you're seeing at the moment. So what we're going to do here is that on Authenticator, no matter which one you're using, there's a small plus signal on the top right. And you're going to get three options: personal, work, or other. We are going to go other, and it's going to give you that barcode recognition. So you're going to just scan that, and that is going to set up a new multi-factor authentication for the Synaptic app that you'll see at the bottom of your multi-factor setup. Now what we're going to do is enter in that code and click verify code. That will now allow you to go into Synaptic. Please note that this is the process that you are going to have to do every single time that you log in to Synaptic. We have a couple of issues that we have noticed, and the factor is that sometimes when you open the multi-factor app, so when you go into the app and you open it up, you'll see that everything that you've got starts counting down and the number resets. In some cases, we've noticed that sometimes, for whatever reason, this app is not counting down. So if you do not see the little number with the little circle next to it not counting down, you know there's something wrong with your app. And it's actually happening right now, in fact. So there we go. So what we can do here now is if you go to the top of your app and you literally pull down hard and you let go, it will reset all the codes and all the numbers. So it's checking for notifications again. Okay, and it will reset it. Now this is normally in the case of where you've got a bad internet signal or whatever the case is, and now suddenly you'll see it's now counting down again. Go down to the bottom, find your code and enter it in. And failing all of that, what you can do is click on your app, and then at the top there's a cog, and you are able to say remove the account, and you can reset it in the manner that I've just done now. And that will surely, or normally, and that will normally solve the issue of multi-factor authentication. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next training.